This is a weird one. I mean, it looked like he had just like a very small fish on.
Yeah, but now he did. Maybe he woke up.
How's the drag on there? Is it loose or is it tighten up a little bit? Yep, reel down, reel down, reel down. I mean, it's definitely got some weight to it. Got a mystery fish on here, not quite sure what it is. It kind of hit the surface, didn't really do much, ran to the boat. That was gonna be a small king, but it's got some weight to it now. It's coming up a little bit. This is weird. Oh, that's sail on! Yeah, sailfish! Woohoo! He didn't even know! He hardly even knew he was hooked! Wow, what a surprise that is! Weirdest thing ever. Thought we had a little baby king on. Comes to the boat, goes straight down, comes up. We got a sailfish on here. That was the weirdest sailfish hit I've seen. He just hit and kind of swam at the boat, didn't do much, went down a little bit. And now we realize he's hooked and we got a sail on. Might come up again here. I think he's gonna come up again. There he is. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir! Oh, stay on, stop jumping. Stop jumping. Pull up, reel down. Check on that side there. There we go. Reel down. Okay, right there. I just want you to slowly pull up. Do that sailfish. Down, 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 down. Keep it low. Pull up. Got him. All right, we got him. Come on, sailfish, chill out, baby. No, you don't. You ain't jumping, buddy. You ain't jumping. Stop. Knock it off. Knock it off, sailfish. You're done. Chill out. Fight's over. I'm gonna release you. Chill out. Chill out. Just gonna sit here. Open it up. Beautiful fish. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Winter sailfish season right there, baby. Jose got himself a beautiful sail. Let's get some fish there.